Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session, day two demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So thank you for joining the session today. So let's start the session for today, team. If anyone had to join, they can join parallelly. So in the yesterday's demo session, team, we have the demo one yesterday. And as part of the demo, we have seen these agenda topics, team. Like I have introduced it to you, first of all, what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications about? Okay, who will be using this technology in the market? And once we learn this course, where we will be landing upon and what sort of roles that we will be working with respective to this technology that we have discussed in our yesterday session, team. And then I also introduced to you the concept of ERP, right? Because our Fusion applications comes under the ERP family, right? So we have discussed about the concept of ERP, and then we discussed about the Fusion applications evaluation overview. Like what are these Fusion applications is about, and what is the Fusion applications evaluation path, like in which year Oracle introduced this technology into the market. Prior to that, what are the prior technologies that Oracle acquired, and when Oracle introduced this, that all we have seen, team. And then I have explained you types of companies involved in this technology, team, like by keeping freshers in mind, who will be the vendor or the service provider company, who will be the client or the customer company, who is the consulting company, that is the implementation partner, and what is the role of consulting companies and how they will be providing their services. That all we discussed here, team. And where we will be starting our careers, where we will be starting our employment, that also I told you in types of companies involved, team, right? And then we have seen Oracle Fusion environment releases, like in which year Oracle introduced this product, I explained, team. And then what is the release version that they came up, right? In 2011, I told you Fusion applications launched into the market. Then what is the version they launched, and what is the evaluation in their versioning? And I told you R13 is the static version for our Fusion cloud applications. And then we discussed about, team, quarterly upgradation policy that Oracle following yearly, team. 4 times they will upgrade their application, I told you. And every time when upgrade happens, what will happen in the system, that I explained. And what is the versioning sequence that they will follow for every quarterly upgrade. We debugged this sequencing also, that what the pattern that Oracle following for every quarter, team. That all we have discussed. And then we talk about modules in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud, team. Like in the entire HCM cloud applications, what all modules we have in the system, and what comes under functional, what comes under technical side, where any prerequisite knowledge is required for us to handle the system. And if you are coming from a non-IT background, if you are coming with a no coding experience, will you be able to learn this technology or not? That all we have discussed, team. After the session also, almost like 15-20 minutes, we have the Q&A, and we discussed all these aspects yesterday, team. And the roles typically that currently hiring in the market. Once you learn this course, you have to drop your resume as a functional consultant or a technical consultant or a techno-functional consultant. That all we have seen. And also the career path we discussed. Like we will be starting as a fresher with what designation, then what will be the hierarchy to what level that you can able to land upon in the coming future. That all also we have seen, team. And here I mentioned for whom this course is for, basically. So if you are falling in any of these criteria, then absolutely you will be eligible to learn this course I told you, team, right? These are all the things that which we discussed in our yesterday's demo session. Now today we will be having the demo 2, continuing to the yesterday's topics team. Whatever we left out due to the time constraint, we will be discussing today. What are they? Today in this session, I am going to talk about team Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process. These are very important for every individual to know when they're learning this particular course team. Why? Because accessing the standard Oracle documentation will give you a lot of document access team. Like Oracle standardly delivering all their documents with respective to this technology for every module into the open source. I mean, in an open source, they are offering team. But the only problem here is team, many people don't know where to browse, where to go, and where to access. Yes, definitely from our side, we are going to provide you the standard materials team. But at the same time, if you have to access the Oracle standard documents providing for all these modules, and team, every quarterly upgrade when Oracle upgrading their application, I told you they will come up with some new enhancements, new features, right? For that also, Oracle will release the document team. For every 3 months, when they are upgrading the application, Oracle release the document where they will mention all the new features that they are coming up in this new release team. Okay. Someone enable the video cam. I think Hussein, can you please stop? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. That access where we have to go and check that we have to know team. So in the knowledge repository, I am going to introduce to you where in the internet you can find the Oracle standard documents with respective to Fusion HCM Cloud. And then team, we will also see the Oracle certification process, because some of the participants used to ask me, Kumar, do I really require to do mandatorily Oracle certification or only training is sufficient? Will companies mandatorily look certification as a criteria in the recruitment of the candidates, or is it optional in this technology? If you have to write the certification, what is the cost that Oracle charging for certification exam? What is the pattern of exam? What is the pass percentage? That all I will explain team here. Okay. Then I will introduce to you today the Fusion applications team. We will try to log in into the system and we will see some basic features with respective to the system team. Okay. So to start with team, Oracle Knowledge Repository, where in the internet that you can able to find the Oracle documentation team. See, just to go to any browser team, it might be Google Chrome or Firefox, Internet Explorer, anyway. Just to go team and search with Oracle repository. Search with Oracle repository team with the word Oracle repository. You will land upon team Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion applications. The very first link, if you can see, Fusion apps or .oracle.com. So type as Oracle repository, then you will land upon this first web link you can see team, Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion applications. Click on that. Click on that. Then you will land upon this page team, Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion applications. Then search by product. Here team, you have to select cloud applications because our Oracle Fusion HCM is a cloud application team. Click on the cloud application. You will land upon team docs.oracle.com web page. It's a open source for any one team. Don't be in the impression that Kumar having access to Oracle University so he can access the document. No. See, Did I logged in anywhere in the system? Just I went to browser, I searched it with Oracle repository and I landed upon this. No sign in, nothing here team, if you could see. It's a open source. Okay. Once you come to this page, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, scroll down. All the products that Oracle offering under Fusion applications, you could able to see team. So this slide I should talk about team. Now we are going to learn about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is a HR application that Oracle offering team. Similarly, under Oracle Fusion applications banner, Oracle offering multiple products team. See, Oracle Fusion applications product families. Under Fusion applications team, we have Oracle Fusion HCM. This is our product team, human capital management. It's a HR suite. Then we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud that caters the financial services team. Then Oracle Fusion CRM, customer relationship management, that caters sales related service team. Then Oracle Fusion SCM, supply chain management cloud, Oracle Fusion procurement cloud, and Oracle Fusion PPM, project portfolio management cloud. So these are the different products that Oracle offering under Fusion umbrella. So we are learning one such product among them, that is HCM team. This is a HR related application. But we have finance related application, sales related, operation, supply chain, like that team. So when you come to this docs.oracle.com team, here you can able to access all the application suite of Fusion team. See, if you scroll down, this is enterprise resource planning. So here you can see team. This is financials. This is accounting hub. This is procurement. And this is SCM and their modules in that, supply chain management. And this is our product, human capital management, HCM. So we should come here team and then go to human resource. Then you will land upon this page team. Okay. Oracle Human Resources 24A. Once you land upon here team, on the left hand side, we have different options. Go to all books here team. Click on all books. Click on all books. Once you come to all books team, in the system, you can able to, not in the system, in this docs.oracle.com team, you can able to find all the books that Oracle delivering for our HCM team. If you filter in the view team, we have the filter. What are they? What are they? Do you want user guides, implementation guides, administration guides? What you want, you can filter team. Let's say I want implementation guides team, because as such, we are in the preliminary learning phase of how to implement the system team. And even our training is also implementing the system only. You can filter with implementation team. Then scroll down, all the modules, materials you can find team. See, implementing absence management, implementing journeys, implementing benefits module, implementing compensation, core HR, that is global human resource, global payroll. And for payroll, again, country-wise, you can find the documents available team. Okay. Then time and labor, whatnot. Every module implementation guides, you can able to access team. You can go simply, you can click on PDF, then the PDF will be loading up team. See, Oracle Fusion Cloud, Global Human Resource team, implementing global human resource. Everything, a detailed document with every concept and their explanation, Oracle delivers in this document team. See, this is the standard Oracle document for core HR module implementation. I am not telling to refer this one team. It will be a very vast document and you won't get understanding everything, or you won't get the time to study everything. You can follow the standard materials that what we are providing, the custom materials team, but for preparation and all. But when you are going for the real-time project implementations team, if you want to refer something new concept or something, then you should know where in the Fusion system we can able to get access to the Oracle standard definitions or standard documents for every module team. So this is the document for core HR module team. This is the document for core HR module. Even these are downloadable. You can able to download into your laptop or PC team. So like this, not only for core HR, for every module, you can able to find the books that Oracle delivering for all the users in the market team. That is implementation guide. Now let's say you want user guides team. User guides means once we implement the system and once we hand over to the client, once they start using the system team, how to use the system, the user manuals for every module that you can able to find here team. See, using global human resource, using compensation, using time and labor, you can able to access team. And if you come to videos team, the small videos Oracle will embed, but they are not much useful. Short 1 minute, 2 minutes explaining about some features that Oracle recently brings into the system that you can able to access on the videos team. Now, the most important point, why I'm telling you the Oracle repository access is required means, okay, quarterly release. Yesterday I explained you quarterly upgrades happening in the Fusion system, correct? Every 3 months, in a year, 4 times, Oracle upgrading their system. And every time when they upgrading the system, I'm telling you, Oracle bringing some new features into the system. And some of the features they are deprecating team. Like this, something or the other new enhancements coming in the system. So every time when such enhancements comes in the system, you should also get knowledgeable about them. Because in the projects when you are working team, you will be preparing for certain activities when every time upgrade happens team. That I will tell in our workshop session detailedly. Like you have to first prepare the impact analysis document. How that looks, that all we can discuss later. It is too early to discuss. So during that time, you should also know this quarterly upgrade, what new features Oracle bringing in the system, so that we can able to share with our client team this all information. As a consultant, where you can find that documents team, once you come to this docs.oracle.com team, we have the section here called what? Cloud readiness and what's new. Go to this what's new team. Go to this what's new team. Okay. What's new team. Here, once you come to the what's new, scroll down. On the left hand side, you can see all the products. This is financials team. Okay, this is supply chain. This is HCM team. Expand the HCM, then all our modules are categorized. Under human resource team, our HR, global HR, help desk, benefits, compensation will be there. Then under talent management team, our recruiting, talent management, learning, these all will be their team. Then under workforce management, our time and labor, absence management modules will be there. So filter up here team. Which module related features you want to check? Module wise Oracle will give team. Come here, expand. I want to check for my core HR, human resource module. That is my global HR module team. Select it, okay. And then team, you will have here what's new. We have here what's new. So come to human resource team and then click on HTML. HTML. Then you will land upon this page team for what's new. Okay. So here team, you click on update 24A. You can see team, update 23D, 23C, 23B, 23A. See, these are previous quarterly upgrade release notes team. So now I want team, our current latest version, that is 24A, what features that Oracle brings in the system, what in the system. Click on this update 24A team. One more window opened up towards the right. So here now see team, my page is loading. Here I can able to access team in this 24A upgrade in this year, what new features Oracle bought in the system. Page still loading, and here see team. Currently I am in 24A. And here if you come under global human resource, if I expand team, these are the new features team. There is some feature came called improved user experience when self-assigning journeys. What is that feature is about? With a clear-cut explanation and with screenshot highlighting team where that feature came in the system like this. Then there is something payment methods region supported for journeys. Then see what is that new feature team, the explanation, and in the system the screenshot also. What are that new features came up in this team? Like that, everything. These are all the new features team that comes in core HR module in this 24A upgrade. So that all team you can able to access in the system. Okay. Now, if I want to check out for last quarter, sometimes you might have a situation where client might ask you, Acha, okay, last quarter, did we get any upgrade with respective to some particular functionality? Then you can explore team. Currently, I am in 24A. Last quarter is what team? 23D, last year's fourth quarter. Then select 23D. Select 23D. Then you can able to see team 23D release notes. What are the new features that came? See, this is for 23D. And these are came in 23D release team. See, audit, mass download of document. There is some feature came here. Okay, if I expand team, see here. So these are the new features came in last quarterly upgrade like that. So you can able to check till 2 years backward team. We are in 2024. Till 2022, you can able to see team. What are the features in every quarterly upgrade that Oracle brings in the system? So this is something important team. Even when you are working in the real time also, every time following these documents will make yourself ready with the upgradations that what happening in the system team. I usually believe in one thing. What is that? If you are learning something, grow along with the application. Don't get saturated there that what you know. What all coming in the system, how the application is getting evolved. Keep yourself up to date. So one word is what? Grow along with the application team. So this will be helpful to you to explore and to access all the materials or the documents that Oracle delivering by default for any one team. So this is about team Oracle's knowledge repository to discuss. Okay. Now everyone understood now where to navigate and where to find out the documents and all. Then team, let's move on to Oracle certification process. So the question, some of you asking me, how the certification will work in Fusion applications, Kumar. See team, when it comes to the certification part, when it comes to Oracle certification part team, basically one common misunderstanding people will have, that is team, Kumar, can I do the certification for entire application that Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Certified Implementation Specialist? Noting, Oracle not providing the certification for entire product, for the entire application or the technology, Oracle not providing the certifications team. For what Oracle providing? Module wise. We have a couple of modules, right? Module wise Oracle providing the certifications team. So for core HR team, we have a examination by name Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud, okay, implementation specialist. Like this, for our core HR module team, we have an examination available team. And there will be examination code for each of the module that you want to write. Like for core HR, I have IZO 1046. Now we are in 24. 24 paper yet to come. The recent paper is 23 team. So the examination code for this module core HR is IZO 1046/23. And the name something like Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Like for absence, we have a certification, Oracle Global Absence or Oracle, okay, Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Then you will have like IZO 1053 or something, there is a code team. Then for payroll, you have a paper. So Oracle conducting the certifications with respective to the module wise. For the entire application, you cannot write the certification team. There is no such certification like that. If someone want to write the certification team, you have to write module wise. So whatever the module you want to appear, you can appear. Only for the functional components, we have the certification exams team. For these components, we don't have any examinations available. So if one have to appear or write for a certification, you have to choose the module that what you want to write. Now, what is the pattern or how we have to approach for booking the examination? What is the cost incurred team? See, basically, Oracle partnered with a company called team VU Pearson. There is a company called VU Pearson team. This is the examination partner for Oracle to conduct the exams on behalf of them. These VU Pearson test centers available across all the major cities in every country team. In Hyderabad, we have many VU Pearson centers. In Chennai, Bangalore, everywhere team. Either you can go to that test center, then you can select that exam code or examination, which module you want to write. You can pay the fee and you can write from the test center team. Or you have online option as well. You can go to this VU Pearson website team. You can search with your examination that what you want, and you can able to book your exam, book the slot of your convenient time, sit in your home, and you can write team. Prior to COVID, online was not available. We used to go to test center and we used to write team. Right. But post-COVID, Oracle conducting the certification exams online also. So you no need to go to any test center team. Directly go to VU Pearson. Okay. VU Pearson, like this search team. Then you will land up on this Pearson website. Okay. Or this one team. Okay. This is for PT it is coming. You can go here, Pearson, VU Pearson. And okay, this is their company website team. Sorry. You can come to VU Pearson team. And here, oh my God, this is for only PT. Okay. So we'll navigate to you. There will be a URL team. Just you can come to Pearson. Okay. There will be a website, this one team. Okay. VU Pearson. And then here team, you can go to take a test. You can search with your examination code, and then you can able to book your exam team. So it will redirect to Oracle University, education.oracle.com URL, and there you can book your exam. Or directly team, you can go to the system and you can search with the Oracle Education or University team, and you can go to their website and you can book from there also. Either of the ways you can able to book team. So what is the cost for each certification exam? For each module team, the cost will be somewhere around 22,000 INR plus the applicable taxes team. Okay. For every module, the cost will be 22,000 plus applicable taxes team. And the examination pattern, it will be choose the correct answers type, like multiple options, like question and the options A, B, C, D. Like that team, it will be choose the correct answers type of pattern that you will be having for Oracle certification team. But one important thing I want to tell with everyone team. till 2022, we used to have the entire exam for every module with choose the multiple choices kind of thing. But from last year, from 2023, Oracle changed their pattern of examination team. 80% will be choose the correct answers type, and 10% team Oracle giving the scenario there and giving the application link and asking you to configure there and show. In the exam team, directly a part of the questions, choose the correct answers questions team. They are also giving scenarios and asking to replicate that, configure that. They are giving the application access also there and asking to configure then and there and to pass that one team. So scenario based questions also being asked in the examinations now. So every module team, basically core HR is a big module. You might have the questions somewhere between 60 to 80 questions like that you might expect team. Okay. Absence is a small module. You might expect 45 to 50 questions in that absence module. So module wise, the questions will be deferred team. And the pass percentage will be 75% you have to get team to pass the examination. And there will be negative marking also. There will be negative marking also. And the amount that what you are paying is a non-refundable amount. If you book the exam, you paid the amount and you return the exam team. Unfortunately, you didn't got 75%, you failed, then the amount will not be refunded team. So it's a non-refundable amount only for one attempt. We don't have multiple attempts also team. So that is how Oracle conducting the certification exams. If you people are working in any company's team, I'm talking about people who already working in some companies, in IT companies, check with your managers. You will be allocated with some certification coupons team in your company for your career upliftment. Organizations usually sponsor certifications on behalf of your team. So check with your managers if any coupons are available so that you can write the examinations freely. So if anyone want to write the certification team, from our side, we can help you with the dumps. Dumps means already for these exams, the question and answers, what will be coming that are readily available with us team. You can prepare that and you can clear. Many of our candidates cleared their certifications by using the dumps. Now the main question, why all these command? Do I really require? Just learning the subject will not be sufficient. Oracle certification is not a mandatory thing. Is not a mandatory thing team. So one who learning this technology, you no need to write any certifications. Unlike Workday or SAP, in the market, when it comes to the recruitment team, no company will see whether you are a Oracle certified implementation specialist or not. So Oracle certifications are not mandatory when you are searching for your jobs or when you are looking for the opportunities team. When it might place a role means once you get into the job, you started working into the projects and all team. Whenever the performance appraisals that happening team yearly, if that too, not every company in your organization, if your manager insisting you to do the certifications team, they might consider that as one of the evaluation point for your appraisals team. During that time, it might useful, or during some of the projects implementation team, client will ask, client will ask, hey, give us only certified people to my project. During that time also, your organization might ask you to complete the certifications for any of the module because client demanding for that. Client asking only certified implementation specialist required only during that time. And moreover, every client will not ask for that team. So if you ask me personally, certifications in Oracle technology or fusion applications, at least it's not a mandatory team. So forget about this team. Just you learn the things and then you can drop the resume and you can get the job. But out of curious, if anyone have a requirement in your organizations and you are insisting to do, then this will be the approach for Oracle certification team. Okay. Now team, moving on to introduction to the Fusion application team. Let us see how the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications look like. And when any client or the customer buying the product, see, frequently I will use this word, client or customer. Now you all know who will be the client or the customer team. Client or customer means what I told yesterday. The company who will be using the product according to their business requirement team by purchasing from the vendor, that is from Oracle. They are called as client or the customer company, I told you. So let us understand team, when any company, that any client or a customer company buying this product from Oracle team, how the Oracle Fusion applications will be delivered. I mean, in which form, in which format the application will be delivered. I was telling you yesterday, Oracle Fusion HCM is a cloud-based application team. What I'm using team? Cloud-based application. What I mean by cloud-based application team? Okay. What I mean by cloud-based application team? Cloud means what I told team? Any service or the software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud, that we discussed it team. Now, whenever any client or a customer buy the product, for example team, in our case, take our well-known company's team, Tata. Okay, now Tata Group, okay, purchased the license from Oracle team. So Tata Group is the client or the customer company team. He is the client or customer company team. And Oracle is the vendor. Oracle is the vendor company, right? Now let's suppose team, Tata purchased the license from Oracle. Like they want to use this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud in their day-to-day HR operations team. So they buy the product from Oracle. So when they buy the product from Oracle team, how the Fusion applications will be delivered to the client, in which format team? The Fusion applications will be delivered just in the form of this URL team. Okay, URL team. Let me sign out because in my laptop already they were auto saved. That's where they logged in. So just this is the application team. The application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. This is what team Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications basically. Just in the form of URL team. As it is a cloud-based application, client or the customer, they no need to install the software, they no need to run the application, anything in their laptops or PCs. Just in the form of URL or just in the form of the web link, the Oracle HCM cloud application product will be delivered to the clients or the customers team. So just if you take that URL and if you copy paste in any of the browsers, it might be Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything team. Just copy paste. Now I came to Google Chrome and I'm copy pasting here and I'm searching team. See what happens? I landed upon where? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. I could able to access my system. See, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So I have user ID and password team. If I give my user ID and password and if I click on sign in, I will able to enter into the system team. So this is what team cloud-based application means. Just in the form of URL, just in the form of a web link, the Fusion application will be delivered to the clients or the customers who buying the product from Oracle team. Now, let me introduce to you some terminologies team, because when you going for the projects in the coming future, in the next couple of months, when you are getting into the jobs, in the projects, when you are working team, These terminologies you will be hearing frequently from your team members or colleagues. What are they, team? You can refer or you can call the Fusion applications as that in our regular layman terminologies. If you ask me, you can call it as URL, you can call it as web link, okay, just URL link, okay, or team in a professional way that Oracle given terminologies to refer their application, to call their application as instance, instance, server, server, environment, environment, and POD, pod. Okay. You can call with these different names, team. So when you are working, team, as I am telling you, if someone trying to showcase some experience and you are trying to get into the job, team, you should be familiar with all the jargons or the terminologies that we will use in the organizations regularly. So that is the reason that I'm sharing with you, team. So whenever you are working, team, from your colleagues or from your teammates, if you hear a word instance, server, environment, pod, nothing but they are referring to the application, team. So you can call the application either as URL, web link, or you can call professionally as instance, server, environment, or POD. POD means what, Kumar? POD stands for platform on demand. POD stands for platform on demand. So you can even call it as pod, POD. So any of these names you can able to call the Fusion applications team. Okay. Any of the name you can call the Fusion applications team. Now, one more important point I want to tell you, team. What is that? Let's suppose, team, Tata is one company who buying the product from Oracle. Let's say, okay, Tata, here I'm keeping, team. Tata Group is one company buying the product from Oracle. Let's say Reliance Industries also want to use this Fusion application team. Even these people also using Oracle system, they also bought the application from Oracle. Let's suppose, team, you take our well-known companies, let's say Apple, okay, Apple India, whatever it is, team, you take. So even Apple also, for their in-house employee management and HR activities, let's assume if they are using the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud only. See, team, three companies are there. These three are the customers for Oracle team. They are buying Oracle Fusion cloud application. When Oracle selling the product to the customers team, to different companies in the market, when Oracle selling the product, there will be a differentiation in the URL team. What is the differentiation, you know? Here, team, see, login, HTTPS login slash, I have something here called ESLL. See, there is something here, 4 characters I can able to see. ESLL, client to client, there will be difference in these 4 characters. And moreover, team, currently I have taken the development environment. This is our training environment, team. But usually the client side applications, when they buy, the application won't have this one also. It will be like this, team, ESLL. And even it won't be coming as demos.com. If you are seeing the URL as demos.com, that is our training environments. What I will do is I will try to show you some environments team, something, okay. It actually looks like this, team, at the end, okay. Cloud.com, Oracle Cloud.com. The URL, the actual URL will looks like this, team. So this is our training environment. That is why at the end it is coming as a demo1 demos.com. But the client's usual URLs will look like this, team. Even the dev1, I will tell later what is this dev1. But the actual URL will look like this, team. HTTP 4 characters, then fa dot like us2.oraclecloud.com. but client to client team in the URLs, the differentiation will be in this. Let's say for Tata Group, they might have given ED Alex. For Reliance client, when they're selling team, they might give here team with another number, something like HGSR. Okay. Then for another client, they might give the URL with another characters team. So what I'm trying to tell here is team, every client to client, every customer to customer, when Oracle selling their product team in their application URL, web link, these four characters will be deferred team. See, at times in the real time when you are working team, you might be getting a chance to work for multiple projects team. Many IT companies will do that, will make their employees to work for multiple projects team. If you are in support project, definitely you will work for 3-4 clients. So during that time, how you will identify which client URL or which client product is what? By looking at that four characters team. So every company to company, when Oracle selling their product team, in the URL, these four characters will be the unique ID. We will call them as POD number. We will call it as pod number team. What is that? We will call it as pod number. Kumar, they are in character format. You are telling number. Yes, team. They will be in character format, but the name that we will call is pod number. So client to client, the pod numbers will be deferred team like this. These four characters team. And FA.US2 means team that designates the server where, because Oracle maintains their servers across multiple regions team. In North America, they have their, in that continent, they have their region. In Asia Pacific, they have their server. In Middle East, they have their servers. So whoever the clients purchasing the license from that particular region's team, you might find the difference in these server locations also. US2 means this is one of the server location, that is the code of that server team. So that might also, you might experience the change, but at the end you will see oraclecloud.com, and this is the pod number from client to client. You will see the differences team. Now I want to tell you one more observation that you people have to have when you are working team, because for many of the participants today we will be sharing the environment access also for practicing purpose team. So whenever we are going to share you the environments team, you might be getting the environments from us looking like this, something at the end coming as oracledemos.com. So these are training environments team across the markets team. Oracle for practice purpose, for training purposes team will give certain applications team. So one such applications that we will be using for the training purpose, that will be showing as demos.com. And event team, when you are working for any client, when you are implementing, you will be coming across different pods team, different environments, like we have production environment, development environment, test environment, like that. During that time also, you will find the differences team. If it is a production, you will see like this, four characters .fa. If it is development environment, you will see something after four characters /dev. Then test environment means /test, like that you will see team. But what is development environment, what is production environment, and what is a test environment, that I will tell you in our workshop session. This is too early to learn team. If I tell you also, you will be getting confused what are all these things. So as of now, okay, at this stage in the second class we are now, I want everyone to understand what are the different names that we can call the application, and customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product, how in the web link, the four pod number characters, or the four characters that you are seeing, that is a pod number, will be differed from client to client. So till this extent, I want everyone to get knowledgeable team. I hope everyone is clear till this extent. Okay, going forward, once we start our configurations, implementation, then I will discuss with you for every client how many environments that Oracle will give, what is called as production environment, what is a test, what is a development, where we will work when we are into the project, how to migrate from one environment to another environment. That all in our workshop classes we will discuss, team. So this is about, team, how the application will deliver to the customers. As it is a cloud-based application, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. With a good with a good internet connection, you can able to access the Fusion application by sitting anywhere across the globe, team. You no need to sit in your office place. You no need to connect with your server. You no need to run the application, nothing. So that is a reason, team, many companies moving towards the cloud-based applications. And that is one of the reason why Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application get more demand in the market, and many customer adoptions are being happening, team. Okay. So this is something that about the application, how you can access, team. Okay. Now let us get into the application and let us see some basic home level functionalities, team. Okay. So when you pass the URL, team, and one more thing, Kumar, can we use any browsers or any specific browser Oracle telling to use their product? Usually, team, Oracle suggests to use Firefox, not Google Chrome, team. Oracle suggests to use Firefox because their technology, their technology and their back-end technical tools that which they use it for developing the application, team, that will sync or that will align with the Firefox browser more effectively, team. So that's the reason usually Oracle suggests to use Firefox as an as an internet tool to access the application. But it's not like it will work only in the Explorer, in the Firefox. You can use any of the browsers. I usually, or my most familiar is Google, team. I will use the Google browser only. You can use that as well. Okay. So now see, just I'm passing the URL and I'm trying to sign in, team. Where I landed upon, team, I landed upon sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. And here, team, I have user ID and password. User ID and password. So I have my user ID and password. So Kumar, how the user IDs and the passwords we will be getting, team? Let's suppose in the real-time project also, how the user account will be created. In tomorrow session, I'm going to start with that topic only, team. When we going for an implementation, team, the very first topic that we should know in the Fusion system will be the security administration, team. Because when we go for a project, team, how we will get the user accounts, who will be creating the user accounts and all we should know, team. So to start the training also, the first topic that we have to pick up will be security administration. Here we are going to talk how the user accounts will be created in the system, how to get access to the Fusion system, and how the access concept is working in the Fusion system. That all we are going to see. That I will start by tomorrow, team. So now what I'm doing is, as of now, I'm trying to log in with my user ID and password, that what I have for my training purpose, team. How to create it, how you can have your user accounts, that we can take up in tomorrow session. Okay. So when you are signing in, team, like any other application, if you forgot the password of your user account, team, you can click on forgot password. And here you have options like, already if you are having an account, means in the system you have the email ID also associated to that, team. So you can pass your username or email, and if you forgot the password, select this and click on submit. If you forgot your username only, pass the email and select forgot username and submit. Then system will send to your email ID the username or the password reset link, team. So like any other, team, for Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, how we have password reset option, for Fusion application also, The same way we can able to go to the forgot password and we can able to reset team. Then team, you can observe here something called select language. What is this team? See, Oracle Fusion Applications is a global product team. It is not something concentrating only the country US, only the country India. No. Oracle Fusion Applications is a global product which will be used by many customers, nothing but many companies across different countries team. Okay, across different countries team. So that is the reason team to give more flexibility in using the system in their own native language. Oracle supports multi-language pack for their application team. See, if I select here, these many languages are supported by Oracle system. If any client, any company, let's say we got a project from China team for one of my client, we work for a Chinese project. Client used to ask me, Kumar, I want to use the system in my local Chinese language. What should I do? So system, if a client expecting to use in their native language, these are the languages that currently Oracle system supports team: Arabic, Danish, German, Greek, then Spanish, then Chinese, anything. So when you are logging into the system only team, if you choose your preferred language here, okay, let's say I'm selecting Chinese. See, application change it to Chinese language. See, sign in, change it, user name, change it. Then all these things got changed. Then if you want to keep it Arabic, okay, where is it? Sorry, Arabic. See, from right to left it came. See, everything got changed. So once you sign in team, entire application also will come in that language. So Oracle applications are multi-language supported applications team. So if any client asks that they want to use the application in their language, when they're signing in only, they can keep the language they want and they can able to sign in team. So the entire application will come in that language, right? I'm keeping it in English. And now see team, I have given my user ID and password because already they are auto saved in my Google Chrome team. That is why they came. But once you pass your user ID and password, and if you click on sign in, you will able to enter into the Fusion system team. So this is the Fusion application home screen. So once you sign in team, you will land upon the Fusion applications team. This is how the look and feel of the Fusion applications will be. This is the home screen of the system team, right? So here I can see the welcome message, good morning, Trio HR, that is my user ID team. And then here I could able to see different sections team. I have me, my team, my client groups, benefits, whatnot. Many sections I could able to see here team. And under each section, again, I can see multiple options here. Again, I selected my client group. Then I can see multiple options here team. Journeys, person spotlight, absences. This entire area team. This entire area, we will call it as springboard. What is that team? This entire area, we will call it as springboard. Okay. And in the springboard team, whatever the sections that you are seeing here, this every section, we will call it as functional area. What we will call it? Every section that you are seeing in this springboard, we will call it as team functional area. My client groups is one functional area. My team is one functional area. Me is one functional area team. Then under these functional areas, when you select that section team, the functional area, I can able to see different options here. Journeys, new person, person management, person spotlight, absences. These we will call it as team sub-functional areas. What is that? These are functional areas and these are sub-functional areas team. Okay. I'm trying to introduce to you all the basic terminologies in the system, what we will call team, right? This area we will call it as springboard, and these are functional areas, and these are sub-functional areas in the system. Now team, on here team, some logo coming up, but you can able to customize. If your client asking that, Kumar, I want my company logo, that we can able to do. We have a concept here team, something like sandbox customizations. I told you, right? In this concept, we can achieve team. We can change the logo, but in this training environment, someone kept this logo Supremo Financials. Let's leave it team. On the left hand side, you have three lines. What is that team? That is called as navigator. That is called as navigator team. So whatever the functional areas that you can see in the springboard, see, first Redwood sales I have, then sales I have, service, me, my team, my client group, then whatnot. If I click on this arrow towards the right, many functional areas I could able to see which were arranged on a horizontal way. Correct? All these are in the horizontal way. Same functional areas and sub-functional areas team, I can able to find out in the navigator also. If I click on navigator team, a bar will open towards the right. See, a bar opened up. Same options team, the functional areas, Redwood sales, service, me, my team, my client group, whatnot, everything you can able to see. And if you expand team, under that what we have, see, in my springboard, I can see under my client groups, these all functional areas team. I can able to see them, see, observe here, I have journeys, new person, person management, person spotlight. If I go to the navigator team, if I come to my same my client groups functional area, if I expand team, all of that I can able to see. See, journeys, new person, person management, absences, person spotlight. So team, here in the vertical way, all the functional areas and sub-functional areas we can able to access. In the springboard, in the horizontal way, you can able to find them team. That's all. So that is about navigator, and this is about springboard team. And here we have some icons available team. What are they? Home icon. See, you be on any screen in the system team. Let's say I'm going to some screen. I came to my client group and I came to some new person task team here. So basically for hiring an employee in the Fusion system, HR admin will come here, new person, they will go to the respective task or hire an employee. In core HR, we are going to see all these things team. You be on any screen team. If you want to come to the main home screen, simply click on home button. See, click on yes. You will be landing upon where? Home screen. Like in our mobile, how we have home button team, in Fusion system also, you be on any screen. By clicking on that home, you will land upon the main home screen team. Then we have team favorites and recent button here. See, in Google Chrome also team, we have the bookmarking concept. Any URLs or any internet web links that you want to bookmark, save it for future references. You can able to bookmark, right? So within the Fusion system also team, if you want to bookmark your favorites, let's suppose team, I'm a HR admin in the system. Every day my activities will be team, I have to perform hirings in the system. So I will go to my client group and I will go to new person and I will perform by clicking on hire an employee team. Okay, I will do this task every day. So you be on that task, which one you want to add as favorite. Then come to the star button team. Then go to favorites. Then click on add to favorites team. Then this is the task name team. This is the favorite. You can create the folder team here, something like my daily routine tasks, something for my understanding purpose. I'm giving team routine tasks like this, the folder I have given team, and I'm adding this hire an employee task into that folder team. Save and close. Now see team, I will go back to the home screen. So every day team, when I log into the system every day in the morning, I have to perform that hiring transactions team. Whoever the employee selected, I have to hire them in the system. So rather than going to my client group, new person and hire an employee, simply I can come to my favorites, my folder here, hire an employee task I added as my favorite. Directly I can go here. See, I landed upon hire an employee. So the most used, the frequent tasks in the system, you can add them as a favorites team. Okay. See, these are very self-explorable concepts only, but as a fundamentals, everyone should know. That is why I'm telling all these things. Then team, recent items we have. Recent items means in our browser also team, we have the history button. What all the recent websites that we visited, we can able to check. Within the Fusion system also team, if you want to check out your recent search areas, what all screens that you navigated and you came. See, these are all the configurations that okay that we have in the system that which we recently performed, that all you can able to check out team. That is about team favorites and recent items star mark team we have. Then we have something called a watch list. See, this is nothing to do with HCM team. If financials and supply chain, as I told, we have other products also available in the system, right team? If along with HCM, if client also purchasing finance, supply chain, other products also in the application team, this watch list concept is related to them. We don't need to discuss team. Then we have bell icon. What is this team notification? We discussed yesterday all the modules in the system team. During this time, I told you there is a concept called workflows and approvals team. What is that? Across the system, in any module, if any transactions are being performed, the concerned managers or the HR can receive the notification. Like team, an employee applying the leave in the system, it should come to the concerned manager for approval team. Or HR hiring the employee in the system, it should go for concerned employee manager or HR manager's approval team. So basically team, when a person with a managerial cadre or HR cadre that they log in team, every day they can see the notifications in the bell icon. What are the approvals that are waiting for them? So they can check it out here and they can approve, reject, whatever they want, they can do team. So all notifications in the system will be checking up in, will be coming to this notifications bell icon team. That is about notifications bell icon. And here team, we have our settings and actions button. Settings and actions team. So every day after the work, if you want to sign out team, you can sign out of the application. Then team, we have couple of things to discuss here team. So these things, once we start using the system, we will be knowing team. What is this setup and maintenance? What are these edit pages and all? And personalizations team will take just in 1-2 minutes these concepts team. If you come to personalization team, if you go to set preferences, okay, you can able to set some basic details team. Like when you log in into the system, we have the option to select the language, right? In which language you want. Let's say while logging in, you have not selected team. Now, if you want to change team, if you come to preferences and general preferences team, if you go to the regional, see, sorry, if you come to the language team, from here you can select. Now, if you want to change the language to some other team, now see, I'm changing it to Finnish. Okay, current session and save and close. Now see team, the entire application will change to Finnish language. So while logging into the system, if you are not selecting the language team, after logging also, you can come here to the set preferences and you can able to change. Now let me put it back to English team, American English, where it is. I know that how it looks like American English, so I'm selecting that team. So while practicing, you can check it out. Now I put it back. That is language team. Then any regional level settings for the system that you have to configure team. We have to configure here that your client is from which country, then what is the date format that they want to use in the system. These all we have to collect from the client, in which time format that they are into, okay, what time format they want. then number format. See team, in the system going forward, whenever we are working on any modules team, anywhere you see the date fields, time fields or number related fields, whatever the format that we selecting team, see month, YY or YYMMDD, whatever the format for that date, time, number we are selecting team, in the entire system going forward, whenever we are working on any screen, if you find a field of date type, number type, time type, these are the formats how they will take up team. So we have to check with the client what are the formats for date, number and time that they want to go, and we can configure this team. Then currency that which your client, then time zone, which time zone that system you want to keep, that your client is from whatever the time zone, that you have to select here team. So these implications will be there going forward in the system whenever with respective to the fields with this type will come, or any processes that we are going to schedule, like any module you take team, we have different processes to run, then which time zone that process should get submit, that will pick up from this preferences team. So these all things initially only in the time of implementation, we will get the requirement from the client and we will configure team here. That is about regional. Then team accessibility is not required. Password team, like let's say if you want to reset the password for your user ID, then you can come to password and you can able to reset the password team. You can put the current password and pass the new, confirm and save and close. As a user, if you want to reset the password team, you can able to do. These things we can talk in preferences team, proxies, watch list, financials cloud, sales cloud. These are not related to HCM team. These are part of financial, supply chain, other products team. So we don't need to discuss about that. So these things we have to talk as a basic introductory to the Fusion applications team. How the look and feel of the application, some home level functionalities we discuss at team. And here, if you come to the system team, if you want to check out that your application is in which version, what is the latest version, you can come and you can go to about this application team. Then you can able to check out what is the latest version of the application. Okay, these things we can talk with respective to introduction to the application team. So this is what planned for today team. So yesterday and today we have the complete demo sessions on this technology. From tomorrow, we are going to start with our actual regular sessions team. So tomorrow I'm going to start with the topic of security administration in the system, because any implementation that you go to, the very first fundamental concept that everyone should aware of in the system will be security administration. Here we are going to talk about the user accounts creation, the access provisions to that employees or the user accounts that all. So from tomorrow, we are going to start with our regular sessions team, and we will take up the topic of security administration. Okay. And team, yesterday and today, we had the free demo sessions. From tomorrow, we are going to have the new meeting link team. Whoever enrolled, probably I think maximum participants who joined today confirmed their enrollments with payments yesterday only. For maximum people, we already sent the emails team. So I request to please also check your spam folder where you can able to access our course dashboard team. Like as I told yesterday, everyday sessions, we no need to share through YouTube link team. You can directly access from our website. How to log in, what is your user ID and password to log in, and where you can find your course. Already a detailed steps, okay, an email sent to you team, whoever already confirmed their enrollments. If anyone yet to confirm the registrations, today is the last day. Please confirm team. From tomorrow, we are going to share you the new meeting link team. Whoever enrolled for the sessions, they will be getting the new Zoom meeting link for tomorrow's session. So the free sessions are completed. Whoever yet to enroll, please enroll today, team, so that we can share the course dashboard access to you, then the materials or the server access, adding you into the WhatsApp group of February batch. That all will be done, team. Okay. So a part of this, any questions in today's topic, team? You can please unmute. You can ask me any questions.
Yeah, Kumar.